keep the spacing consistent over there.
Looks good. We can speed up slightly.
The depth looks good here.
Yes, the spacing is perfect for the yams.
Check the consistency on this row. Looks perfect for the tubers.
It does. The machine is dialed in.
Looks good.
The height is perfect for the yams.
Yes, and the spacing is consistent.
Look closely for the eye before you cut. We don't want to waste any part.
Remember, the bud must be visible on every seed piece.
I am being careful. This batch looks good. Make sure the eye is clear on that one.
Yes, I see it. We need more crates for the good pieces.
Is this spacing correct?
Yes, that looks good. Plant the next one here.
Check the gauge. We're holding steady at the pivot.
Reading confirmed. I'll update the system logs.
The water is reaching the end ridges nicely now.
Yes, the system is performing exactly as expected. Let's keep an eye on the moisture levels.
Everything looks good. The rotation speed is perfect.
Confirmed on the tablet. It's running smoothly.
Looks like we're getting full pressure now. Yeah, it looks good. Let's head back.
The sprouts are looking strong this year.
We just need to keep the weeds clear.
Keep going, we need more stakes over here.
All right, I'll bring the next bundle.
look right here. I think we have an infestation starting on this row.
Okay, I'll start applying the neem oil solution immediately.
Look here, underneath the leaf. See the webbing?
Yes, spider mites. I'll start the neem oil mix now.
Look closely at the underside here. I see some aphids starting.
Okay, I see them. Let's hit this spot with the neem oil now.
Go ahead, nice and easy.
The drip lines are working perfectly here.
Yeah, the moisture levels look good across the board.
Is the irrigation working properly down here?
Yes. I just checked the valve. The soil is moist.
This one is very big.
Yes, the harvest is good this year.